Now, let us discuss about towers of Hanoi problem algorithm and analyze the performance of the towers of Hanoi problem by using time complexity and the space complexity. In one of the previous videos, we have seen about towers of Hanoi problem by taking an example. N value is three disks, as well as we have seen program also. So please refer that video. I will share that video in the description as well as first comment. So if you have any doubts on this problem, so first refer that video and come back to this one. So this is the algorithm. So algorithm towers of Hanoi of, it accepts 4 arguments. N represents number of disks, X represents source tower, Y represents auxiliary tower, Z represents destination tower. Next, if n is equal to 1, then only one move is needed in order to move the disk from source tower to the destination tower. Whereas if n is greater than or equal to 1, then towers of Hanoi of n minus 1 comma, we have to move the disk from x to y with the help of z. So here x means source tower, this y means destination tower, whereas this z means auxiliary tower. So move the disk from source to, that means x to y with the help of z. So source to destination with the help of auxiliary. Next, write means printing. Move the top disk from x to z, So with the help of, write is nothing but a printf statement. So with the help of this line, just we can print this statement. Move the top disk from x to z. And last one, towers of Hanoi of n minus 1 comma, move the disk from y to z with the help of x. So here y means source tower, z means destination tower, whereas x means auxiliary tower. Okay. So this is the algorithm. So based on the program, we can write the algorithm. So I explained about algorithm in one of the previous video. So please go to that video for the program. Based on the program, we can write the algorithm. Okay. Now let us write the recurrence relation. T of n equal to time complexity for n elements. If n is equal to 1, then we require only one move for moving the disk from source tower to the destination tower. Whereas if n greater than 1, then so we need to move n minus 1 moves. Here also we need to move n minus 1 moves. So here for calculating the time complexity, the formula is T of n. So for n minus 1, so we need to compute T of n minus 1. So for this n minus 1, whereas for this function call, we require one more T of n minus 1. So T of n minus 1 plus T of n minus 1 means 2T of n minus 1. 2T of n minus 1 plus, so for this right statement, so one comparison is required. So plus 1. So this is T of n minus 1. So this is also T of n minus 1. So 2T of n minus 1. For this printf statement, one comparison. So this is the recurrence relation. So now let us calculate the time complexity. So what is the formula? T of n equal to 2T of n minus 1 plus 1. T of n equal to 2 into, what is T of n minus 1? Let us derive the formula for T of n minus 1. So in place of n, we have to substitute n minus 1. So 2T of, in place of n, substitute n minus 1. So n minus 1 minus 1 means n minus 2. So plus, here we are deriving for T of n minus 1. So there is no change in 1. Next, so this is nothing but the formula for T of n minus 1. 2T of n minus 2 plus 1. So additionally we have 1. So let us write that one. So we can write this as 4T of n minus 2 plus 2. Next, T of n equal to 2 into 2 means 4. So 4 into t of n minus 2 plus 2 into 1 means 2 plus we have 1. Next t of n equal to 4 into, what is t of n minus 2? In place of this n, substitute n minus 2. Then we will get 2t of, in place of n substitute n minus 2. n minus 2 minus 1 means n minus 3. n minus 3 plus there is no change in this one. As well as here additionally we have 2 plus 1. So 4 into t of n minus 2. So this is nothing but the formula for t of n minus 2. Additionally we have 2 plus 1. So t of n equal to, so 4 into 2 means 8t of n minus k plus 4 into 1, 4 plus additionally we have 2 plus 1. So on. What is the kth term? So t of n equal to, what is the kth term? So we can write this as 2 power 1, whereas this as 2 square, whereas this as 2 cube. So 2 cube into t of n minus, so here what is the value? I'm sorry, here what is the value? N minus 8t n minus 3. So n minus, here 2 power 3, here the value is 3. Here 2 square, the value is 2. Here 2 power 1, value is 1. So this 3 is nothing but, this is nothing but k formula. So 2 power k into, so this is kth term. So 2 power k into t of n minus k plus, next we have 4. So what is 4? 4 means 2 power, this 4 means 2 power 3 or 2 power 3 minus 1. So 2 power 3 minus 1. So we can write this as 2 power k minus 1. So if k is 3, then 3 minus 1 means 2 square. Next 2 power k minus 2. So on, the last term is 1. Next, let us write here for space constraints. So that is the equation. Let n minus k equal to 1. Why? Because here n is equal to 1 is given. What is the value of t of 1? T of 1 value is 1. T of 1 value is 1. If there is only one disk, then only one move is required for moving the disk from source tower to the destination tower. Okay. So what is n minus k? So this one. So now what is k value? K becomes n minus 1. K is equal to n minus 1. So here what is the equation? T of n equal to 2 power k into t of n minus k plus we have some equation. So 2 power k minus 1, so on like this. We have some equation. So t of n equal to 2 power, what is k? K means n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1 into t of, what is n minus k? N minus k is nothing but 1. 2 power 1, t of 1 plus some equation. Okay. So t of n equal to a power m minus n. We can write this as 2 power n by 2 into, what is t of 1? T of 1 means 1 into 1 plus so on. So we know that while calculating the time complexity, we have to consider only higher order exponent. Here this is the higher order one, as well as we have to ignore this multiplier 1 by 2. We have to ignore that multiplier also. So what is the time complexity here? Here the time complexity is order of 2 power n. Why? Because here we have 2 power n. So the time complexity of towers of Hanoi problem is order of 2 power n. Now let us focus on the space complexity. Space complexity. In order to compute the space complexity, we have to calculate depth of the recursion. So what is the depth of this recursion? So initially let us assume that we called this towers of Hanoi of 5. Let the number of disks are 3. Next we call 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means 2. Next 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. Suppose if the number of disks are 5, then 5 minus 1 means 4. 4 minus 1 means 3. So here the depth of the recursion is n. So we can say that the space complexity of this algorithm is order of n. So the time complexity of towers of an problem is order of 2 power n, whereas the space complexity is order of n. Here towers of an problem means it is recursive algorithm. So in towers of an is calling towers of an only. So this is recursive algorithm only. So that's it.